Alright, this is gonna be a first for me, doing a commentary over a freestyle, messing around type. But what I'm gonna talk about today is what I'm gonna do with this channel and how often I'm gonna be uploading videos on this channel from now on. Well, this is mainly my Rigs of Rods channel now, nothing else. My other channel, and I'm working with the guy on there too. For that channel is our Let's Play channel at Fallen Gamers TV, it's the title of this one. What we do on that channel is we do some commentaries, Minecraft, Let's Plays of Minecraft, Let's Plays of Nightmare House, just different games with Let's Plays and random clips. And we only got 14 subscribers right now, and fuck. I was gonna say, but yeah, we only got 14 subscribers right now, and we're still working on it and all that. So I'll be uploading clips to this this channel, and not as much as I used to though, but I'll still upload clips. Mainly I'll be working on the Fallen Gamers Let's Play channel from now on. But again, I'll be uploading clips to this channel, but I'm not going to be doing it as much as I used to. I'll probably try to get one, like a clip like every 2 weeks or something like that. But yeah, so since I got that out of the way, I guess I'll do a actual freestyle now with music. So see you guys next video.
But I'm not too proud. Maybe you would like to peek through the curtain at the same mistake you know you always make. But all I really wanna know is how you gonna lay the fuck that down or jump the fuck up.
Walking in the streets and looking all this shit, I'm full of hate, don't fuck with me. Walking in the streets and looking all this shit, open up your eyes and fucking see. We gotta drive against society, we got to fight the real enemy. Get the fuck up, stand the fuck up, back the fuck up.
Making things a bit insane, and I don't care who stares or stays. The only thing that matters is, will you reach out if you can't resist? Maybe you don't give a shit for the rest of us, but if you do, the time is now if it ever was. If you're gonna fight, what you gonna do? Jump the fuck up! Compare me to your fight the darkness you wanna live your life by. And if you're gonna quit, I don't give a shit. What the fuck, I'm a Mack truck. Are you gonna give up like a bitch or shut the fuck up?
Walking in the streets and looking at this shit, I'm full of hate, don't fuck with me. Walking in the streets and looking at this shit, open up your eyes and fucking see. We gotta drive against society, we got to find the real enemy.